Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope everybody is keeping safe. The situations are getting better, but I will still tell you guys, follow social distancing and wear a mask whenever you go out. So today, firstly, I would like to thank each of you who really loved my last video, which was Ajio shopping haul in 2 parts, and received a lot of comments and suggestions of what kind of videos I should do next, and I'm really thankful to each of you. So if you guys haven't watched the video, you can go and have a look. I will link it up here somewhere. Secondly, if you're new here, I do lot of shopping haul videos, fashion styling videos, and a little bit of beauty and skincare products. So if this interests you, please consider subscribing on my channel and also press the bell icon so that whenever I put up a video, you get a notification. Okay, so today I will be not doing a shopping haul, but I would be reviewing a skincare product. This is a brand called Pilgrim. It's an Indian brand, and I just landed up on that website because I had read lot of comments from lot of bloggers, and I saw reviews as well. So I thought I can give it a try and give you the honest review so that you can decide if you want to go for it or not. Okay, so this is called the brand Pilgrim, and they have two ranges, that is Secrets of Vinotherapy and Secrets of Jeju Islands. Okay, so I ended up buying Secrets of Vinotherapy range. I ended up buying red wine face wash, red wine night gel cream, and red wine face cream which has SPF 30. Okay, so firstly I would like to tell you that this has a flavor of wine. So the base smell of the product has grapes, that sari smell, and I love that kind of smell. And face cream has the mixture of rose chip oil, so wine and rose, oh my god, what a combination. And night cream gel has that wine base and mulberry. So entire 3 products which I ended up buying has more of a sari smell and not that sweet flowery smell, because I really don't like such kind of smell which gives me headaches. So I prefer, whenever I buy, I look at the flavor. And so if there is rose, that does not mean it is too sweet. They have added in the proportion that it is not that flowery or not that sweet that it gives you headache. So people who are like me, who don't like such sweet smells, you can definitely go and try this when it comes to smell. Okay, now let's start reviewing the product one by one. So firstly, I got these 3 products, I already mentioned you. So this is how they look. So this is the packaging. Okay, so I really love the packaging. Okay, it's a normal packaging. You will feel what's so extraordinary in the packaging that you loved it, but when you open the product, they have a little sketch going inside. And wait, if I'm not sure, yeah, little sketch in the entire box going inside and telling us a small story about the brand. So I think you are not able to see properly in this one, but this box is broad enough to give you the hint what exactly it is looks inside. So if you see, there is a story written inside about the brand. So for me, the packaging matters a lot. If the packaging is amazing, you can guess what kind of product is packed inside. So okay, so now let's start reviewing the very first product, that is red wine face wash. So I have been started using this product like, or maybe more than a week now. So the moment I ended up, I think I'm using ended up a lot, right? Okay, the moment I started using, this is Secrets of Vinotherapy from the red wine face wash with vitamin C and aloe. Okay, so I would like to mention that all the products are vegan, cruelty free. They are not tested on animals, so they are cruelty free. Then there is no parabens and no sulfate and no toxic 20. So most of the harmful chemicals are not included, and the best thing is they are cruelty free. So yeah, so the face wash is for all skin types. So my skin is normally normal skin, it is not oily or it is not even dry, but yeah, it depends on all of you. I mean, if the product says it's for all skin types, but unless you don't try, you cannot exactly tell that what kind of product is giving you the feel. So the moment I opened this, The smell, oh my goodness, I'm not exaggerating, but the smell is so amazing. You can compare the smell if you guys have used Body Shop products. It is to that level. The smell is so amazing. And the face wash, so I have been using this face wash twice a day since 7 days now, and trust me guys, it gives me amazing feel, the freshness, that smell on my face, and the texture of the face wash, the glow it is giving to the skin. I cannot explain you. I'm not at all over exaggerating. You can definitely give it a try. You can go and buy from their website. There are many discounts going around. There are good deals going around. I would be putting all the links to all the products down in the description box. So this was priced at rupees 350, and it is in how much ml it is? Okay, it's 100 ml. Okay, so I have been using, and itna use ho chuka hai, I have been using since 7 days. So I just take a drop and I normally moist my skin, अच्छे से rub करती हूँ, face and neck and everything, and then I just wash it with normal water and damp it with the cloth. I don't rub after, I don't rub the cloth, I just damp it. So yeah, ingredients, the main experience is that it gives you a youthful glow, fights with aging, cleanses your skin deeply and nourishes your skin. So this is what the first product looks like, and trust me, you can definitely try. I am not exaggerating. I have not been paid to say all this. I'm not promoting their products, but genuinely I really loved this one. Then the next product I ordered is this face cream. So this is how it comes, the box, with the small spatula inside. Box with the cream bottle and the spatula inside to apply the cream. If you don't want to put your hands, you just push down spatula and just apply the cream. Now I'm going to praise a lot about the smell because I have gone mad. I don't know how am I resisting. If it would have been ice cream, I would have just eaten it up in one go. Okay, so this is how the texture is, if you can see. Yes, I'm loving it, guys. I'm not joking, I'm not exaggerating. The smell is heavenly, it's out of the world. So this is with the rose chip oil with SPF already, and this texture is really very nice. I'll show you. So yeah, can you see? It's not that sticky and it has like a water feel. So when you apply it, see, can you see the glow? Maybe little bit difference. See? So smell is amazing, guys. Okay, so this is how the texture is. It is not at all sticky. It does not make your skin oily after you apply it. It's more of a water based, or maybe you can say बहुत sticky नहीं है. कोई products कैसे होते हैं, when you apply it आपके यहाँ पे सब पे T zone और सब जगह पे oily हो जाती है या थोड़ी sweaty हो जाती है skin. ये वैसा नहीं है, ये gel based है. मैं लगा रही हूँ 7 days से, and you can apply it. So guys, it's very important to use your face cream which has SPF even if you are at home. आप गैस के सामने जाते हो या घर पे ऐसे ही बैठे होते हो, बालकनी में बैठे होते हो, you need sunproof thing in your cream. So please buy the creams, whichever cream you wish to buy, but should have SPF, so it can, normal skin routine के लिए भी आपके लिए बहुत helpful हो जाता है. आपकी skin maintain हो जाती है if आप regularly skin care नहीं करते, clean up नहीं करते, but at least थोड़ा base आपका skin का अच्छा रहेगा. So yeah, this is how the face cream looks like. God, I'm in love with the smell. Okay, too much of smell thingy, but I rarely fall in love with such kind of smell. So yeah, now the next product I ordered is Red Wine Night Gel Cream. So this is in the base of gel, and it's in the flavor retinol, mulberry and it includes retinol, mulberry and vitamin C. The base is wine as usual because that's how their product are. So even this comes in a bottle form with the spatula. So I'll show you how this product looks like. This is like more of a lightweight. Yeah. So this smells sari, and guys please try करो, स्मेल के लिए ट्राई करो. मतलब कि आप ऐसी कोई साइट से मंगाओ कि शायद आप पे सूट ना हो, और देखो अगर रिटर्न ऑप्शन आपको, अगर आपको लग रहा है मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एग्जैजरेशन कर रही हूँ, बट या फिर आप खाली एक फेस वॉश ही ऑर्डर कर लो, वो सिर्फ 350 का है, पर इतना अमेजिंग है. सो दिस इज़ लाइक अ नाइट जेल, आइस के नीचे लगा लो, पूरे फेस पे रब कर लो. ये सब मैं फेस क्रीम के ऊपर नाइट जेल लगा रही हूँ, जो सही बात नहीं है. दिस इज़ लाइक वॉश योर फेस और डे क्रीम लगाओ, और रात को वॉश योर फेस एंड अप्लाई अ नाइट क्रीम. बट आपको डेमो दिखाने के लिए कि ये कितना वाटरी है. इट्स नॉट दैट, डज नॉट गिव यू ऑयली फील एट ऑल. So this is how the products are. So they have many products like face toner, face mist, lip balm hai, but I wanted to start slowly. I wanted to first test the brand and test how the product reacts on my skin, and that is why I ended up ordering only 3 products in a kind of a day routine or day ritual is the product name, like face wash with the face day cream and night gel. सो फेस क्रीम लगाने के बाद टोनर बहुत कंपलसरी है. इट जस्ट गिव्स यू दैट एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटेक्शन टू योर स्किन, बट आई एंडेड अप बाइंग ओनली दीज 3 products फर्स्ट बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू सी. सो या, ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स हैव विटामिन सी इन ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स. सो विटामिन सी आपको पता है कितना ज़रूरी है स्किन के लिए. सो यू कैन गो हैव अ लुक ऑन दिस. सो दिस इज़ लाइक, आई ऑर्डर्ड फ्रॉम द रेंज कॉल सीक्रेट्स ऑफ विनोथेरेपी. दे हैव सीक्रेट्स ऑफ जीजू आइलैंड, बट आई डोंट नो, मुझे वाइन का बेस ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा. सो मैं रियली लव देयर प्रोडक्ट्स. So guys, please go and try these products. I will be putting up links for all the products down below, and let me know in the comments if you ordered and if you tried, how did you find this smell. अच्छा ठीक है, प्रोडक्ट शायद आपकी स्किन पे, सबकी स्किन पे डिफरेंट रिएक्ट करेगा. मेरा नॉर्मल स्किन है एंड सेज इट्स फॉर ऑल स्किन टाइप्स एंड डज नॉट मेक स्किन ऑयली और एनीथिंग, बट आप ट्राई करिए और मुझे बताइए कमेंट्स में कि हाउ डिड यू फाइंड इट. ओके, सो I hope you really like my this kind of videos. I would be putting up more of fashion hauls, and I'm also planning to start YouTube shorts wherein you can see styling tips in like 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute short videos. So let me know guys what kind of next video you would be like to see. I have already lined up some shopping hauls again for you guys, so I'm sure you must be waiting for it. So yeah, I'll take your leave for now. Till then, bye bye.